Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a table of contents to your document on Google Docs. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to Google Docs, start a new blank sheet, and here on your untitled blank document, simply click on Insert here at the top. And from the drop-down menu, select the lowermost option, Table of Contents, and from the following drop-down menu, select your table of contents format, like plain text or a dotted format. I will go with plain text format for demonstration purposes. Also, guys, what you want to do is select the position of your table of contents on your document. For example, you can start with it here at the top, but you can also press enter on your keyboard and start, let's say, somewhere in the middle of your blank sheet. That's totally up to you. So once that's done, guys, Google Docs will ask you to add headings to your table of contents. You can do that by clicking on Format here at the top and by selecting Paragraph Styles from the drop-down menu, and here to the right, select the heading for your table of contents. For demonstration purposes, I will go with heading 1, so click on it, and after that, make sure that you copy your heading 1 and paste it here below by pressing enter to keep the same format for your headings. So I will change that line here from heading 1 to heading 2, and then copy and paste heading 2 to make it heading 3, and so on and so forth. Of course, you can customize your headings and, I don't know, name them introduction or part 1, part 2, or etc, etc. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you add a table of content to your documents on Google Docs. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.